Namaskar. Indian history is one of the bravest and enlightened rulers. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is a legend of all times. His stupendous achievements have got him a special and a unique honor as the strongest pillar of this nation. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the brave warrior, was a torch bearer of good governance, and his economic and trade policies inspire us till date. He was an efficient ruler and an administrator who ruled with just and firm hand. His government had many innovative good governance concepts like the cabinet known as Ashtapradhan Mandal. His policies were quite modern. His administrative policies were subject friendly and humane, and he encouraged empowerment of women during his rule. He was strictly against caste discrimination and employed people from all castes in his court. He introduced various schemes for eliminating the need for middlemen between farmers and the state and collecting revenues directly from the manufacturers and producers. During his time, he promoted Sanskrit and Marathi as primary languages and completely replaced Persian. He is known to have followed Hindu courtly and political traditions. He tried to encourage Sanskrit to the extent that his forts were named as Suvarnadurg, Prachandadurg, and Sindhudurg. Moreover, he even appointed his council of ministers as Ashtapradhan. He also used words like Nyayadhish, Senapati, etc. All his projects aimed at replacing the Indo-Persian norms and political customs with one based on Indian culture and Sanskrit. Many of his principles are very relevant even today. Government of India is also following principles of this great legend in letter and spirit. During our tenure in Maharashtra, we ensured empowerment in economic, security, educational, and social sectors by taking various measures. On this background, it is praiseworthy that Mallakhambh Federation of USA, in association with Indian Consulate, New York, is celebrating Maharashtra State Heritage and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti with great enthusiasm. The heart of every Maharashtrian gets filled with pride when organizations like Mallakhambh Federation takes effort to promote Mallakhambh, Indian heritage sport, and very Marathi culture beyond the boundaries. I am sure that this event will be successful in inculcating the principles of social justice and equity in worldwide human society. On this auspicious occasion, I pay my humble tribute to one of the greatest sons of India, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and extend my best wishes to the members of Mallakhambh Federation of USA, Indian Consulate, and all those involved in the effort. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji.